Next, number 19. Select all that apply naman. Diba? Ang hilig-hilig natin sa select all that apply. Mahilig ba kayo sa select all that apply? Alam nyo guys, ang tricky ng select all that apply, pag kulang ka, mali. Pag tama, pag sobra ka, mali din. So dapat saktuhan. Okay? Now, number 19, a safe environment is an environment that includes which of the following factors? So we're talking about safe environment. Ano mga factors ng isang safe environment? Basic needs are met. Pwede. Physical hazards are reduced. Of course, reduce nga yung hazards, so that is a safe environment. Sanitation is maintained. Yes. Part siya. Nursing standards of care are implemented. Yes. So the answer here is letter. Ay, wait lang. Safe environment pala. Yeah, hindi kasama si number 4. Okay, sorry, wait lang. Letter A. Tama? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Letter A is the answer. So, physiological needs influence a person's safety. For example, sufficient oxygen. So, like yung mga hazards sa place ng patient, it must be minimized to prevent accidental injury or death. Okay. And other than that, disposal of human wastes, proper sewage system is part of your safe environment. Si nursing standards of care are implemented. Hindi lang naman tayo nakafocus sa safe environment as a nurse, or when you are promoting the nursing standards of care, we are not just focused on the nursing standards of care. Okay, so definitely hindi siya included sa ating safe environment. Okay, nursing standards is a very broad, very vague na concept. Okay, so hindi po kasama specifically, or hindi siya magfo-fall under specifically lang alone sa safe environment.